the first runs of the Breakout League, and it's a boundary for Jeremiah. Good way to get off the mark and a good way to open the account.
Yeah, some width on offer, and you don't want to bowl left-handed batters in particular with any sort of width.
Oh my, what a shot that is from Jeremiah. This is what we're here to see at this Breakout League.
Yeah, as a captain, you wouldn't mind this too much. He's looking for swing. With the new ball, that is what you want your fast bowler to do, to try to take a wicket a little bit too full.
The first wicket of the Breakout League, and it goes to Jedediah Blades. Lovely catch being taken by St. Clair. What a start this is.
Not exactly something that you would have planned as a bowler. That type of dismissal. It was full and wide, and the left-handed Hakeem Ogist saw it.
Scamper one could be close, direct hit. Oh.
Yeah, a little bit of confusion here. The misfield brought about the hesitation. Gone. A good short delivery to follow up. So it has been a good over so far from young Blades.
Just over. Well, they won't care how it comes in this power play. Not in control, but another boundary for Jeremiah.
It went over the fielder at slip. Comfortably over as well.
Use of the feet. A brilliant hand on that one. Means that it will not get to the boundary. What an effort that was. End of 3.
Wrist spinner.
Goes all the way from Athenaeus. First maximum. What a good connection that was.
You're just hitting with the angle. He's bowling around the wicket, Kevin Sinclair, so it drifts into the left-hander's pads.
Oh yes, call that a double delight. Alec Athenaeus, welcome to the party.
They must bowl 75% of the overs. At least 75%, quick single. 4 overs done, 29 for 1.
Short. Probably won't get to that boundary. Didn't middle that one, Athenaeus. Is that close enough? Oh, umpire Leslie Reefer wants no part of the conversation. This should present a chance. Easy catch. Yep, it's taken. A bit of a tumble, a bit of a roll from Jedediah Blades, but they've got number 2.
Yeah, the length here was important. He bowled a few deliveries that were full, Niall Smith, and then he just kept pulling his length back ever so slightly. So the batter thought that it was full, but it really wasn't. And that's why
they didn't nail it.
Good work, Latif. So get up! Johnny, bye-bye!
Think it's paced off, you know. Smart, intelligent bowling by Ali Mohammed, who continues his excellent form. They've got 3 in the power play and a bonus point.
Ready.
Was there bat first? There wasn't. Says Leslie Reefer. Another one goes down. Guyana have been rampant to start this tournament. Well mitigated shorter delivery. Even with the pressure building, Athenaeus is able to break through.
Cool.
Nice dexterity. We've got the wide array of his skill set, Alec Athanaze, in this short innings. 51 for 4. Likes the sweep. He's nailed that and hit it very straight as well. Low risk cricket bringing reward for the Windward Islands in this partnership.
Catch it. Let it go.
And what a shot that is.
That's okay. That's okay. That's straight. Keep going.
Just one bounce is what happens at the other end. And that presents the intrigue. Went aggressively at it, slides out. Does he get back in time? Yeah, confirmation, simple enough decision for Christopher Taylor. Neatly tucked away for 4. Errant in line and simple enough for Athanaze.
Yeah, he does have 3 fielders employed on the boundary on the leg side.
One.
A paucity of options
Good work, Blaze. Good work.
at both the regional and the international
That's
level.
okay, Latif. Back up.
So this tournament, as we've mentioned,
Keep going.
yeah, this is what he will do. As long as it's full and close enough to him, Alec Athanaze would take him on.
Work, Nettie. That's okay, Nettie.
Moves on to 49, another maximum.
Yeah, that's up,
Quick single, gets the 50. So that's a historic half century for Captain Alec Athanaze. First half century in this inaugural.
Riaz Latif.
Yet. Carlo, you alone.
Into the wind. Does it have enough? Yes, just enough. A lot of height, but very well connected by Alec Athanaze. Quite belligerent from him.
Keep going. Nice
Yeah.
work.
In front of the man. That was behind square. That might get some momentum going for them.
Good control. Seemed aerial for a bit, but pace off. Good roll of the wrist.
Has he middled that? Hasn't. But gets a comfortable 2. Knows that he needs boundaries, Athanaze. Went length, ball 1, goes full ball 2. And they pick up 2. Good running, you would say, out there in the middle, but good execution again. Does this carry? Just over. Oh, fingertip stuff. Call that a nail trimmer.
Keep going. Into the area.
Douglas this time and finds that gap. Runs coming now in this over.
Keep going.
They needed this. Yeah, did he get something on that? He did, Dylan Douglas. Easy catch being taken by the captain, Kemal Savory. His innings has now come to an end. Or consider the height on that one. All eyes on the umpire.
Good work. You think I come in harder.
Oh yes, with the win, and it has disappeared. Oh, what a way to get off the mark.
A good base, a clear mind, and my oh my.
Boulders for shoulders, but not enough from Ryan John. Looking to clear long off. And he's picked out Kevlon Anderson.
Will be
Oh yeah, that's what we've come to see, Noel. That's how you get off the mark. in your first game. Maximum.
Audacious. First ball, have a ramp. Maximum. Welcome to the Breakout League, Mr. Leo.
Forget the field. Forget the fielders. Noel goes again. He is simply dealing in sixes. Oh, comes into those pads, and Alec Athene says, thank you very much.
Exactly like that. How can you stick to the plan? How long can you stick to the plan?
And maybe deep backward square leg might take this one. Nope, it is over the ropes. Double strike, double blow, 6-6 for Athenes. Oh, look at the height. And it's gone to the boundary as well. Oh, the pain for Ali Mohammed. He's got to go and bowl one more.
Alec Athene's feet off the ground. There's a level of composure.
A quiet single ends the over. But you must say that they've been excellent.
Off the toe of the bat. Curious to see what each team has learned from that first innings. You heard Niall Smith.
It's only 4 times. But generally, you are able to bat with a little more freedom.
His controlled start by Ryan John after the first 5 innings. A big chance. A direct hit would have certainly been gone. Yeah, they've moved the deep backward square, so it's good thinking by Soko, who gets his first boundary of his professional career.
Yeah, errant from Ryan John. Just needed to get some bat on it. Very well played.
When John and Gaston both have gone and found that 68 meter length, they've not been able to score. So you want to hit that. He's held his length well, and it's created a chance. That is athleticism at its finest from Dylan Douglas. Good setup by Ryan John and excellent fielding.
Really brilliant from Dylan. If he hits it for 4 or for 6, then you take it on the chin and you come back for the next delivery.
That was a chance again. I believe that could have been Douglas again, but he really did time that one. Quick single again. That is another chance and another one being put down. Aerial again. This time though, no fielder having a chance. Boundary to end the 4, 21 for 1. May have premeditated the change of pace from Descartes. He's hit it well. Rare boundary in this power play.
Yeah, these are the unforced errors.
And as you said, Sam, Anderson is a good example of
Slapped. Oh, that was spanked. Oh, must have been a naughty ball.
Yeah, good authority being shown by Kevlon Anderson as well on the bat of 573 runs at first class level, given 2 opportunities. And surely he will want to cash in.
And he gets it to the right of that man out there at deep mid-wicket. So a good end to the power play. 6 gone, 42 for 1. Oh, gives this one some air. And some more airs added on to it by Sukwa.
Yeah, that's surprising. That's surprising from Cyrus. We were just talking about the fact that he's generally a lot flatter.
Then he went up. And he went up again. And this time all along the carpet and picks that gap. Sukwa now into the 30s.
Yeah, that boundary brings up the 50 for the Guyana Rainforest Rangers. Really good cricket. Yeah, he will be asking the right-handed batters to hit into the wind. Good cricket though by the batters. And now we see an overthrow. Yeah, sloppy.
Gets enough of that. Yes, he does. Up and over from Anderson. The pain continues.
Clear decision to take on the leg spinner in Daryl Cyrus. And it's paying dividends.
Under the pump again. Oh, it is raining 6s here at Brian Lara. Add 6 to close out 9. Oh. Yeah, not the shortest of deliveries, but got into a good position, did Kevlon Anderson.
because you know. Will it run away? It will. Open the face well there, Kevlon Anderson, to get the positioning.
Yeah, good technique.
So Cyrus, the leg spinner, Carlos bowled that 7th over, right? From this end. Another misfield, they'll get an extra run. He's bowled from the end. Very unlucky for Descartes, who came back well in that over with his changes of pace. 92 for 1. T20 format, but this will test Athanaze now with his team slowly slipping away. It's comfortable in the end. Anderson.
Confirmed by the big screen. And they do agree in the kill.
Potentially check that for height. And it will run away. Oh, no, it won't, actually. Good piece of fielding. Mahabir Singh continuing. Being told Alec Athanaze is off the field, the Windward Islands captain. What a day and what a moment for Adrian Sukwa. 26 years he's waited to represent Guyana. In his first game, he gets 50s. Like that. Again, good placement to complement the power.
Come man, we can do better than that, lad.
We'll push for 2. And we'll get there. And will be 50 for Kevlon Anderson as well. The value of form. What a stunning year in 2025 he is having. There is that attempted ramp, but there is the wicket. This is why John was brought back into the attack. Partnership broken. We could still have a game on.
Good planning from Ryan John, good execution.
Wind or not, he's finding the boundary. What a shot from Kevlon Anderson. Very well timed, well placed, and a good time to get another one. In the air, the fielder comes under. Really good catch. Shadrach discard the fielder this time. We've seen them drop a couple and take now another blinder. Negative overs now.
Yeah, finally, Daryl Cyrus can smell. Opts to go up into that strong wing once again, but really good commitment to that effort by Shadrach Discart. Yeah, and it's another splendid catch by an Inferno's fielder.
Goes for a maximum, holds out in the deep. What an over it is from Daryl Cyrus. Picks up 2 wickets in it. He's been expensive.
Yeah, another right-handed batter opting to go into that strong breeze. Simple enough chance for Dylan Douglas. Kevin Sinclair will be disappointed with that decision. Yeah, another chance and taken easily at short third. Discart into the wickets.
4 wickets for 7 runs. What a turnaround this has been. Another batter trying to take on the wrist spinner. Another batter perishes. Cyrus is on fire. That's 5 wickets in quick succession. The Infernos are on fire.
Yeah, 5 wickets for 10 runs now. Another batter going.
As you said, another opportunity this time though, and another catch taken. That's 4 wickets in 2 overs for young Cyrus. He's taken the wicket off the Guyana Rainforest Rangers captain now, and they are firmly in control.
Yeah, tale of 2.
Run out. He's given his wicket away. Ashby Ned, too easy now for the Windward Islands Infernos. Yeah, they're all smiles. They've consigned themselves to up in the air. Should be taken. Another one goes. Niall Smith trying to go for a maximum quite understandably. And the 9th wicket down for the Rainforest Rangers.
Yeah, Dylan Douglas taking his first wicket in professional T20s. Yeah, once again, another batter.
Guyana had a couple good knocks, couple half centuries. Another wide delivery just delays the end of this game. And that's it. The Infernos have written their names in history here today at the Brian Lara Cricket Academy. They claim the crown in the league's first ever contest.